Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google reverse image search on your mobile device, whether you're on iPhone or Android. To start, make sure you have the image you want to search with saved on your device. This can be a photo from your camera roll, a screenshot, or any image you've downloaded. Next, open the Google app on your device, then tap on the camera icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now, you can either snap a new photo to search with or tap the image icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then select an existing image from your camera roll. Once you select your image, Google will automatically detect objects and text to help guide your search. Google may provide an overview of what your image appears to contain and show visual matches. You can explore the menu options to see exact matches, products to shop for, visual similarities, or tap on Ask about this image for additional information. Now, if you enable AI mode, Google Gemini will give an AI-powered rundown of the image and any details it can infer. You can also type questions into the Ask Anything box at the bottom for more clarification or further searching. And that's all it takes to use Google reverse image search on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.